Hello and welcome. And where you are today is in the middle of my newest video series titled 21 Things I Wish I Knew Before I Became a Middle-Aged Man. And we're on episode 12 today. And the title of this episode is Accept that Learning and Understanding Are Your Responsibility. And what I mean by that is don't wait around for people to tell you what to do or what something is or what something does. You know, when I was young, my parents were big on communication and reading and language and grammar. And whenever I would ask, and I kept doing it, I was never, I never stopped doing it. Dad, what's that word mean? He would say, go look it up, and I never understood the power of that until I had kids myself. But you are responsible for knowing stuff. You're responsible for learning stuff. You're responsible for figuring out what it is that you should be learning. And my goodness, with all of the access to information that you have today, there's just no excuse to not learn something. If it's something that you think is either going to be very interesting to know, or perhaps it will help you solve problems, critical problems, because that's what people are looking for today. They're looking for people that can solve problems. When I had employees that came to me, and I've had hundreds of employees, none of them did it a second time, thank goodness, but they would come to me with a problem. And I would say, so what do you think the solution is? What would you suggest the solution might be? And inevitably, the first time they would come to me, they would not have thought through that because they kind of expected me, being the boss and the owner, that I might have the answer to everything. And maybe I did, but nothing sticks when someone tells it to you like it does when you learn it for yourself. And there, like I said, there's just too many reasons. I think that, the only reason somebody can't learn or understand something new is either a lack of intelligence or a lack of initiative. And so if you take the attitude, no matter where you are in your life right now, that I'm going to figure that out, and then you go find it. I tell you, if somebody comes to me with a problem and they have clearly thought through the solution and have a couple of suggestions, my willingness to help that person skyrockets. When they come to me just expecting me to give them an answer, I have a completely different opinion of that person. So anyway, I think the point is, don't sit around waiting for people to tell you what to do or tell you how things work. People will just blow by you. Get out there and learn for yourself. Take the initiative, whether it's learning something or understanding something. It's your responsibility, no one else's. All right. Hopefully that resonates with you, and maybe we'll see you tomorrow in episode number 13. Have a great day.